Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the Ironbeam website, a platform designed for traders who are serious about futures, options, and Forex. If you're looking for a reliable trading platform, this review will give you all the details. Let's dive in. Main part. Ironbeam is a well-known brokerage firm that specializes in futures and options trading. The platform offers a variety of tools and features tailored for both beginner and experienced traders. One of the standout aspects of Ironbeam is its competitive pricing structure. For futures trading, Ironbeam charges a commission of 0.59 per side per contract, which is quite affordable compared to many competitors. They also offer a flat rate pricing model for micro futures at 0.99 per side per contract. These low fees make Ironbeam an attractive option for active traders looking to minimize costs. In addition to its pricing, Ironbeam provides access to advanced trading platforms like TT and CQG, as well as mobile trading options for those who prefer to trade on the go. The website also offers educational resources, including webinars and market analysis, to help traders stay informed and make better decisions. Closing. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to check out Ironbeam's website if you're interested in their trading services. See you in the next video.